Now we discuss new chapter, that is effect of electric current. In this lesson we all of us discuss different points, that is energy transfer in electric circuit, heating effect of electric current and magnetic effect of electric current. We all of us known static electricity, that is transfer charge remains there in the object for some duration. Therefore, it is known as static electricity. The reason behind the object becoming positively and negatively charged is the transfer of negatively charged particles from one object to another object. In this chapter, we will study about an electric current flowing through a conducting wire, resistor, etc. Similarly, electromagnetic induction, electric motor and generator, all these things study in this lesson. Okay, now we discuss first pointer, that is energy transfer in an electric circuit. Connect the circuit as shown in the figure. Potential at A is higher than at point B. This is because A is connected to positive terminal of cell and point B is connected to negative terminal of a cell. Let Q be the charge flows from A to B. Then work is done, that is VAB into Q. That is, if Q charge flows from A to B in time t, then work is done in time t. Then during that time energy VABQ is given to the resistor. This energy is received by the resistor and is converted into heat energy. Then temperature of resistor is increased. But we know that power P is equal to V into I, that is P is equal to VAB into I, gives equation number 1. But I is the current flowing continuously through a circuit, heat produced in the resistor in time t, then we get H is equal to P into T, that is VAB into I into T, gives equation number 2 according to Ohm's law, that is V is equal to IR. Therefore VAB is equal to I into R, gives equation number 3. Substitute equation number 3 in equation number 2, we get H is equal to IR into I into T, that is H is equal to I square RT. This is known as Joule's law. Thus Joule's law states that the quantity of heat produced in the conductor is directly proportional to square of current, resistance of the conductor and time for which electric current flows through it. Okay, now we discuss next pointer, that is we know that power is equal to energy divided by time. Now take SI unit of each, that is watt is equal to joule divided by second, that is 1 watt is equal to 1 joule divided by 1 second. Thus we define 1 watt power, that is 1 joule work is done in 1 second, is known as 1 watt power. Okay, the unit of electric power is watt, is very small unit, hence 1000 watt or 1 kilowatt is used as unit to measure electric power. But 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 1 kilowatt into 1 hour, that is 1000 watt into 3600 second, that is 3.6 into 10 raised to 6 watt into second, that is 3.6 into 10 raised to 6 joule, that is 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 3.6 into 10 raised to 6 joule. Okay, this is the relation in between the kilowatt hour and joule. Now we discuss heating effect of electric current. When resistor is connected in an electrical circuit, heat is produced in it due to electric current. This is known as heating effect of electric current. For example, water heater, electric cooker, electric bulb, etc. Electrical conductors having higher resistivity are used here. For example, coil made an alloy nichrome is used in the electrical heater as a resistor, while tungsten wire is used in electric bulb. The home electrical connection consists of live, neutral and earth wire. The potential difference between live wire and neutral wire is 220 volt. Due to any fault in the equipment, or if plastic coating on the live and neutral wire gives away, thus two wires are directly come in contact with each other. Okay, so what happens? Large current flows through it continuously, producing large amount of heat energy. One, this is known as a short circuit. To prevent this, electric fuse that will be used. High current flows in the circuit, fuse wire melts and it break the circuit and avoid that major accident. Many times in summer season, huge electrical power is used due to home lighting, fans, air conditioners, etc. As a result, excessive current is drawn from the transformer, and if capacity of transformer is insufficient, its fuse wire melts and supply gets shut down. Such events occurs due to overloading. Nowadays, miniature circuit breakers, that is MCB switches, are used in homes. When the current in the circuit suddenly increases, this switches opens and current stops. Okay.